No more holes, no more molds, no more stinky odors, no more stains and no more damage. Washing it with my Sharp. Unlike Sharp's new Holeless tub washing machine, conventional tub have holes, allowing water to flow freely between the inner tub and the outer tub. As a result, mold that forms on the outer surface comes in contact with your laundry. Sharp's unique Holeless tub solves that problem, and without having to fill up the outer tub, it also saves water and time. A smooth tub surface is also gentler on your clothes. No more holes, no more molds, my dresses smell like flowers. Pour some fragrance, and with an automated fabric softener dispenser, it releases your favorite fragrance at just the right moment. No more holes, no more molds, no more stinky odors. Sharp's Holeless tub solves that. Washing it with our Sharp.